Hey friends, Luck here. So today I'm going to teach you guys how to add the custom watch face for the Apple Watch. This is the new international edition that was released from Apple. So the first thing you need to do is open your iPhone and you go to the Apple Watch. You go to the Apple website, then you click on the Apple Watch. Once you click on the Apple Watch, it shows you the Apple Watch. You scroll down and then you will see the ad for the international collection for the watch band. You click see countries. So you have about 22 different countries here. We have Australia, we have Belgium, we have Brazil, Canada, China, Denmark, France, Germany. We also have Great Britain, we have Greece, we have Italy, United States, Sweden, Spain, South Korea, South Africa, Russia, New Zealand, Netherlands, Mexico, Japan, and Jamaica. So what you want to do when you want to add the watch face is quite simple. You just scroll down and you would see add watch faces on your iPhone. So once you click on the add watch faces, it opens the Apple Watch application. From there you can see the watch face and you can set that as your current watch face. So you can do that for any of the 22 available countries, and you can also customize the watch face to however you like. So I've noticed that actually you can customize the watch face to your country's colors, even if your country is not included in the 22 limited edition. You can customize them to the colorway of your country. If you guys would love to see a video about customizing them to the colorway of your country, then you can just let me know and I will make those videos. Just leave a comment down below and leave your country flag, and I'll try to customize them to your country flags and how you guys like them. Thanks for watching, and see you guys in the next one.